Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk through how to apply a Nigeria e-visa online. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Nigeria Immigration Service government.ng, their eVisa website. So it's in 3 simple steps. You need to log in, fill the application, make the payment. There is an eVisa mobile app also that we will go through some other day. Okay. So here, just click on sign in. Of course, like you need to sign it. So you can sign it using Google or you can sign it using OpenID. So I'm going to sign it using Google and then I'm going to see you guys. So guys, after login, this is the page that you will see. Okay. So here, when you are ready to create an application, click on create an application. Now, all the details that you see here is going to be simply detailed as per your own case. Nationality, let's say India, class of visa, let's say tourism, passport type, let's say standard, visa fees popped up there as you can see. Now you can see up to 8 steps are there. Okay. Continue. Choose your title, surname, as per your case guys, and make sure it matches with your passport. So birth, let's say marital status, let's say single. Passport number, all the details that you enter here guys, make sure you check it at least 2 times, not less than that. Because a lot of people do slight mistakes in these and then they come back and struggle. Do you have a Nigerian passport? I said no. Otherwise, why would you apply for e-visa? If you have family like dependent, like kids and all, you can click on add dependents and add the details. But let's say because you have written single, so image. I'm gonna upload a picture, then I'm gonna see you guys. Purpose of journey, okay. So you do as per your case. I'm just adding tourism. Travel career, airline, shipping, travel. Let's say you're traveling to Air India, and if you have booked the flight, definitely you know the number, right? Country of departure, let's say you're coming through India. Date of departure, let's say coming on 28th. Arrival, let's say you're coming on March 1st. Arrival channel, let's say by air. Duration of stay in days, let's say we're gonna stay there for 10 days. Port of entry, do it as per your own case. Contact hotel. So let's say you have booked a hotel A. Phone number, do it as per your own case. Address, of course, you know the address. City, town, state. Email. All these will be in the email in your booking details if you have booked already. Postal code again. Sample guys. Supporting document they have asked what? Passport, passport size photo, evidence of return ticket, hotel reservation, and funds. Okay. So I'm gonna put some documents and then I'm gonna see you on the next screen. So guys, after you complete your supporting document, next is travel history, where it asks you about travel history, like have you been issued any visa to Nigeria, ECOWAS member state, or African Union last 5 years? I have said no to all, but you should read and do. Have you ever traveled to Nigeria in last 5 years? Have you been refused entry into Nigeria in last 5 years? Have you ever been refused visa to any country, including Nigeria, in last 5 years? Have you ever been deported, removed, or otherwise required to leave any country, including Nigeria, in last 10 years? Have you traveled outside of your country of residence, including excluding Nigeria, in last 5 years? So just read and then answer. Don't just say yes or no. Okay. Okay, guys. So the next is security and criminal history. Do you have any criminal conviction in any country, including absent convictions and traffic offenses? Have you ever been charged in any country with a criminal law offense for which you have not yet been tried in court? Have you ever been involved in support or encouraged in terrorist activity in any country? Have you ever been expressed? Have you ever expressed views publicly or privately that justify promote terrorist violence or that others to commit terrorist or other serious criminal acts? I select no. So continue. But read and then go. Biometric, you have two options. When you apply through mobile, you can mobile using mobile app to itself. You can provide that. Otherwise, you can enroll it. You can select this option at port of entry, and then continue. Then when you go there, it will be collected. And in the next step, when you click on continue here in on this page, you'll go for payment. But of course, I'm not going to do that because it's a sample video. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.